All right, so we got called out. The guy was having issues with a leak in his flat roof. Get up here, inspect the roof, see a couple obvious things. One, you have some loose membrane right here. Also, you have two dissimilar types of roofing membrane, and it's wearing away. We go inside, inspect. It's inside the ceiling there. They have drop tile ceilings, so we're able to see the drain. Whoever did the roof actually moved the drain over. So this is a new drain. The old drain is located right here, and they're getting water coming out of the old drain. We determined that there's probably some water leaking in behind this membrane. This roof is actually pitched down to this corner where the old drain was. So all the water that's getting underneath the roofing membrane is flowing down to the old drain and leaking inside the house. So the easy fix is we're going to go ahead and remove some of the roofing membrane, remove the old drain, resheet it, and do a patch and get everything sealed up for him. Guy started off thinking he was going to need this whole roof replaced, or possibly even reframing out a roof to match this and extend this to totally eliminate the flat roof, because he's had so many problems. And we're able to probably take care of this for a far less cost and get them all squared away and get them watertight.